name's Amaris. I'm a Columbia Engineering senior, and this week we're going to show you all about the alternative spring break program in New York City, arts and culture. Woo! Today at the Color Factory, we're going to learn a lot about how we interact with color in our daily lives and a little bit about what color means throughout New York City. That's all for tonight. Thanks so much for joining us on our journey. Be sure to check back tomorrow when we do some theater-related events. Hi everyone! We're back for day 2 of the Alternative Spring Break Program, Arts and Culture in NYC. Today we're going to learn what it takes to be an actor on Broadway, and then tonight we're going to go see Wicked. Woo!
Excited to see Wicked!
Woo! Hey y'all, what did you think?
It was amazing.
It was a great show. Thank you again so much for joining ASB Arts and Culture in NYC on our adventures this week. We hope you enjoy the rest of the week with other programs across the world.